Okay, so I did a video recently on the PocketTerm, which is a handheld Raspberry Pi device with a keyboard, touchscreen, and obviously battery inside. So I've just put Postmarket OS on it with Phosh, which is like a phone style interface. But I thought it'd be more interesting to try a bit of hacking with it. I just log in. So I've just recently added a new Wi-Fi to my network, and I thought it'd be interesting to see if it could work out the password with Kali Linux. So let's shut this down and install Kali and make all the necessary changes to make it work with this tiny device. So I'm going to pop it on an SD card. So let's pop that into my Pi, and that's detected it. So let's go to the Kali Linux website. The most advanced penetration testing distribution. And it comes with all sorts of tools and things in it. Really nice looking operating system. You can see here reconnaissance, resource development, initial access, execution, and so on. But thinking about it, I believe it's already in Raspberry Pi Imager. So you don't have to look for it separately and find the download link for your device and everything. So other general purpose OS. So it's not on that one. Other specific purpose OS. There it is. So Pi3, 4, 400, 5 and 500. 3.1 gig download. That's my 64 gig card. I'm going to skip customization and write the image. Okay, that's just finishing writing now. I'm going to skip verification and grab that SD card out and pop it in. Got to be careful it doesn't go inside the machine. It has to go inside that metal slot in there. So just tap on the top and it starts up and automatically starts booting. This goes green. It might be too light in here to see that. So it works as is, but you might find the touchscreen and the keyboard isn't working. There's another change we need to do back on the other Pi. But I usually like to let it do a first boot and then turn it off and then make the changes just in case it needs to do all its resizing and everything. There we go. Will it let me shut it down from here? Yeah, so no touchscreen support at the moment. If I press this one, yeah, that's shut it down. And this is red. So I can eject that now and pop it back into this one. So let's close this down. We'll also go to the Waveshare PocketTerm website. Here it is. And we're looking for the wiki and the docs and software configuration. So what we need to do is add this to the config.txt. So we hit the copy icon here, go to our removable devices and boot. So in config.txt, we just need to add those extra lines. Don't know why it adds the spaces in. So, and then I'm just going to put Waveshare PocketTerm added, and I can save that. And the other bit is still in here, but it's in overlays. What we need to do is download the DTBO files. I've downloaded them on here already. You can see it's come up with a 1. But let's open that up. I've already unzipped one here. So we just need the Pi 5 one really, because I'm using it with the Pi 5. I'll put the Pi 4 one in as well. So back to the overlays folder and just paste it in here. So then just to check that they're there, if we scroll down to Waveshare, there it is, 35 DPI, 4B and 5B. That's it. That's now set up for the PocketTerm. All the necessary changes. So I can shut this down. So let's switch on. So it says it's Kali and Kali. That's more like it. It looks nice on that little screen. Now I can use touch, but I'm going to plug in a mouse and keyboard because I'm trying to record the screen at the same time. So let's plug in my dongle. Now one of the things that's always cool on this, which I'm guessing they still do, if we type in undercover, we've got Kali undercover mode. And this switches it to look like Windows 10. And you can see all the icons and everything are like it. But we don't need that for this video. So let's type in undercover again and we'll switch back. Now I thought I'd try and hack my HomePod network. So if we have a look at Wi-Fi, wherever networking is, I guess it's this one. Yeah, available networks. So I've got one here called Pod, which I've created for my HomePods because my ordinary Nokia router really struggles with HomePods. It fails to connect and AirPlay and so on. So I've got a video here on YouTube by David Bumble, and he uses Kali. This is where I learned about Kali being able to hack the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to follow his instructions. And as he points out in his video, I'm doing this for educational purposes. I'm just hacking my own Wi-Fi network. So if you forgot the password, or if you've got a friend or a relative who's forgotten the password on the network but they need to join, then this would be useful for this. So we open up a terminal, hopefully Control-Alt-T will do that, yeah, and then we do sudo Wi-Fi. And it's finding the networks around me. There's the pod network. The numbers keep changing. At the moment it's number, oh, I must hack the right network. Oh, you can do Control-C to stop it. So I guess that's what you do, and then, yeah, because otherwise it would be moving around. So number 5 is pod. And then we need that WPA share, so let's go past all of this. So just connecting now. Didn't work for me. Let's try it again. Number 6 is my network, and then we're doing Control-C, continue, Control-C, continue, Control-C, continue. Right, handshake capture, waiting for targets to appear. Okay, I guess I'm going to try one of the other ones because that didn't work for me. Okay, so I've just updated and I'm going to try it again. I thought I'd put it on screen capture so it's easier to see. So there's my pod network, which is number 5. Why has it got a star next to it? So we don't want that one, and we don't want that one, and we don't want that one, but we do want that one. No such file or directory, HCX Campagnal tool. So let's install it, and we can try and run that again. So it contains a valid handshake, air crack contains a valid handshake, cracking handshake, failed to crack handshake, word list probable.txt did not contain password. So the password, I'm going to change it, so I'll say what it is. It is home with a 0, pod 0. So does that mean I need to make it a super simple password for it to be able to hack it? So then we're really only looking at networks that have got terrible passwords, because that's a terrible password anyway, but at least it's got some numbers in it instead of letters. I'll reboot and try one more time. So Lee256 is my phone. I don't know why there's 2 of them. Let's go with number 4. Look, saving copy of handshake. It did work. Contains a valid handshake. Failed to crack handshake. So wordless probable.txt didn't find the password. The password was free Wi-Fi, all in lowercase. So maybe I'm not as worried about my Wi-Fi network being hacked, at least by this program. Okay, I'm going to change it to Superman. Failed to crack handshake. Wordless -probable.txt did not contain password. It must have contained Superman. And that time it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. So that's listening. If I connect my Google Pixel phone, oh, it's found it. So wordless probable.txt did not contain a Wi-Fi password of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think something's going wrong, so I'm going to try Spiderman because that's what he did in his video. Okay, So I'm going to forget that network, connect that. Okay, so that works. So I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to start this again, and let's connected. Okay, so it's detecting it, but it still doesn't detect even Spiderman as a password, so there must be something wrong. So let's try and locate this text file. I've done a search to see where it thinks it is. So share dict wordlist dash probable.txt. Right, so surely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that was the first one on there, but it didn't find it. I don't know why it's missing it. And then if I do Control F and we'll go with Superman is on there. Superman 1. It's not going to have my original one, which was HomePod 0. So my first one, so the one I was really getting it to use, wasn't on there. Super duper fast is, there's loads on there, but for some reason it's not finding it on that. I'm obviously not meant for hacking. Anyway, hope all this helps. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.